welcome to this video from Josh's Locksmiths. Today we've removed a Knobset 3062 lever, and what we've done is we've installed a outward opening, a 002/4 deadlock. So that was the old lock there, and now we have this done. This is on a commercial rear back door. The reason why this is done is that before you pull back the latch, now the proper deadlock latch is going in there like you'd normally have. So there's no way to actually attack the latch from outside. And we've also put a hinge pin in there as well to prevent people from popping the hinges and trying to swing the door the other way. Can be done, but it's difficult. But with a hinge pin, this is going to prevent easy manipulation of this door. Okay, thanks for watching.